I think it looks good.
Just try on it. We want to actually make something.
All right. Look, if you look at it from here, it looks like a skateboard. Like when you're supposed to look at it, it looks a lot like a skateboard.
Are you gonna
Looks good.
a van symbol?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna like X off this so nobody gets hurt.
Alba, you gotta be closer to paint.
Do not.
Hold it real close to it. Parker, there's my jacket right there. I kind of thought you'd be the last person that would paint my jacket, but you just went right up there and did it.
I'm sorry, I didn't think about that. It's a style. No, please don't. Hey, you want to save some room too.
Okay, wait, everybody stop.
I do want to put plaque here though, like everybody in their own color goes there.
Gonna hang the climbing wall right there.
Wait.
And it looks like we're nearing some sort of completement point with this.
Hang on. I need this. Alright, fine, do that. Do that.
Look at Lily's compared to mine.
That's why I don't go first.
I have an idea.
Put a bell on top
Yep,
of it.
get the bell off the house.
That's
Put the
cool.
bell up there.
I know, that's good. I'll give you that. Touching the roof is good.
That edge is sharp though.
My turn.
Oh my gosh, that's hard.
Good job. All right.
That's harder than it looks.
Is it?
Yeah, you need like a knob here, a knob here, a knob there.
All right.
Like
Well,
another
that's the hard part.
Don't fall.
That's good.
Yeah, we need a landing pad. Oh, God.
We made you a nice landing pad of brick and rocks down there. In case you fall, we don't want you to get dirty if you fall.
Just pay attention.
There's nothing to grab on.
Well, grab on something different and put your foot in a different place.
Grab the orange on, you just gotta get that orange buzzer.
No, I'm not warmed up. I know. Okay. You can do that. Hang on, we got it. Watch out, Tom. The peoples.
Cabot,
Margaret's just gonna keep hitting.
they're playing right now.
So fun. Oh, Lord. Can you watch out? You.
Cabot, wait 1 second.
I'm not too used to actually bumping coming back down.
All right. Nice. Nice. That was good. That was good. Say it again.
Can I ask a skating question?
Hang on. Rolling. That's okay. Parker,
Oh.
And over there.
That's okay.
Oh.
did y'all quit climbing already?
Goodness. No, we just wanted to go look at this.
Oh, I had the perfect.
How about we only use yellows and oranges?
It's all right. That was a good one. Drop in again.
Lost so much speed.
have a zip line.
They walk on that trampoline.
All right, let's see it, Parker.
They have a bigger concrete.
You can come live here. You have a room here.
You do.
Ready?
Yeah, oh yeah. Nice. You're not getting very high. I'm getting bummed out. Come on, let's see. There you go. I'm just kidding.